So I'm no longer on social media. I came off a couple of weeks ago because I just felt it wasn't right. I was feeling yucky because of it. And I feel so much better now. I feel happier. And although my partner goes on social media every day and has started to, in the mornings, first thing he'll do is go on social media and he will get upset and get angry at what he sees, and then he will like explain it to me. How do I best manage this, I guess, without upsetting him or making him feel like I'm being rude or whatever?
Oh, that's an interesting question because there's different ways you could look at that. So, do you want to hear about all that social media stuff?
Not particularly.
Okay. And what would happen if you said, and I don't know his name, but let's say Mark, if you said, look, Mark, I got off social media because I don't want to hear all that crap. It drags me down. It doesn't feel good. Um, there's a reason I got off it, and it's not for me. You can listen to it. That's fine. But, would you mind keeping all of that garbage to yourself because I don't want to hear it? If you approached him in a nice kind of way like that, not that that was the nicest kind of way, but if you communicated that to him, what would his response be?
So his name's Tyler, and I've already retried that. So I tried to be like, I kind of came off social media, and I don't really like the energy behind all this stuff. Like, it's not really beneficial for me right now. Like,
Yeah,
and he's American, and he feels so passionate about what's happening in the States right now, even though he can't be there. So
yeah,
I'm trying to be supportive, but from a, supportive, but still maintain where I am, if that makes sense,
yeah.
vibrationally.
I mean, I think for you, it's just about saying, I don't want to hear it.
Okay.
Right? I love you. I support you. I've got all good intentions, but this stuff drags me down, and I don't want to be dragged down. And there's
Yeah.
nothing wrong with you communicating that, right? If he loves you unconditionally, then he'll respect that and say, okay, that's cool. I'll go, message my buddies online and complain about it with them.
Yeah.
So I would
Awesome.
say it's a boundaries thing. And if it feels hard to express that, then what you want to do is you want to just say, do a bit of digging work around. It feels unsafe to speak up and things of that nature.
Okay, cool. Awesome. And feels unsafe to speak up. Cool. Perfect.
Awesome.
Nice one.
Good
Okay.
question so far.
Thanks.